Here are the top 3 fastest animals on Earth, across the air, sea, and land. Known as the fastest fish, sailfish can swim at speeds of 68 miles per hour, or 109 kilometers per hour over short distances. With the ability to reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, or 120 kilometers per hour, make cheetah the fastest animal on land. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, similar to a sports car. With diving speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour, or 320 kilometers per hour. It makes peregrine falcons hold the title of the fastest animal in the world.